My people, not be smart, This one are breaking news. They say one of our popular Nollywood actress, because the matter just they shut down the social media side, Iyabo Oko. They say this woman don't be a rare P, you understand? I been on one post time, I go check point even still carrying am 4 hours ago. They say this woman, smell on at the top now, she don't be a rare P. This year, 2022, now God go save the children because it's just too early for all these many basketballs for here and there. Sad news everywhere. Today na just 6th of January 2022. News Bibles just full everywhere. Now God will guide the children throughout this year. While our popular singer known as Dr. Menti, not be smart, he survived very funny accident when this brother for come out. I see this update now. I say God, they will say God, not then I lie you. This January so and my people, news, sad news just for everywhere. Now the update when I see for my screen. So anyway, well, without wasting your time, this very update they come from Don Jazzy himself. And I know say Don Jazzy a very funny man anyway. If you see video when they dance, he don't give himself name for this January. They say na Orobokibo. Well, guys, make una watch this short video. Why I go see you now for the ending of this video.
Bad man looking good in New York. Bad man, yo. Sports cars parked in the right spot. But bad man is a robber. Bad man looking good in New York. Bad man is a robber. Hey, take my vanilla costume. It might not be like you want to chop your research sativa. Uncle, what's this? Kí ló sọ ẹbẹ yẹn náà? Luka. Okay, let's go. Bad man is another robber. Let's go.
So guys, I also now watch that short clip anyway. When I see Don Jazzy, Don Jazzy too funny. He say na him be a robo keyboard. Don't give yourself name, not be smart thing. I love Don Jazzy for one thing. Don Jazzy now that man be say man, he not just get anybody time. You understand? He's always happy. They always they do it thing. They do things where be like say man, they give and joy. You understand? They make people around and they happy. He not just get anybody time at all. You understand? Not concern anybody. Now what make me like and you understand? Now that man will be like say man, they live a peaceful life. They go. Well, this other update they come from Mr. Burna Boy. Said they said Burna Boy don't go tear Lamborghini. This Lamborghini worth 250 million naira. My people, man, they vex so 250 meter money will be say man, the full Nigeria go even take feed for 1 year. Now somebody just to go remove one car. So this one a 2022 Lamborghini. This one just come and not be saying a 2020 Lamborghini, be this one 2019 or 2020 or 2021. 2022 worth 250 meter. My people, man, the verse. So guys, get money for Nigeria. I never know what they play. After that one, another prophet don't come out. Not be smart, He say God show and say Odion Jude Igalo. I believe so many of you know this footballer when they call Odion Igalo. He say God show and say based on say man, this brother they always they give to the widow. He say God show and say this brother will get many goals for this year 2022. He say in fact, and the goals when this Igalo wants score for this 2022, Messi no go near him, Ronaldo no go near him. My people, I come across this update. Now say all these are Nigeria prophet, nothing when God not go show now. If una want just go viral, una want just as in una just want make people when not for know now before. E.g. just like me now, me I not fair know this man before. If say not be this video when I waka go jump for inside social media. He say now God show am. Well guys, may not be like say I to waste tonight. I make I leave una with this video, make una watch and why I go see you now for the ending of this video.
God said I should prophesy say it to this footballer called Igalo, that this guy is going to be one of the best callers. He's going to have many goals this 2022. He will score. He will be one of the. He will break many legend history in Nigerian football. Amen. God said, I'm blessing him with much gold because he has touched some lives of widows. God said, Igalo, a Nigerian Super Eagles star, either in Nigerian football team is going to score this plenty goals, or in his club, I don't know. But God said I should tell that footballer Igalo that he's giving him much goal in this 2022. Wow! And he's going to score much goal that will be recorded in history of football in Nigeria. Wow! This year is a year of victory. Is a year of words. Is a year of victory. Is a year of testimony.
So guys, I also now watch that full video. I hope make it be real, because what God cannot do does not exist. Now come many pass for Nigeria these days. Now everybody want just go viral once. You understand? Everybody just want make the whole world you know them. Everybody want blow. Everybody want be like that. The Jews when be say man, they don't they rain. They don't even get level pass government for Nigeria. You understand? Now that's why many go come and waiting God. No, both waiting God show them. Waiting God not show them. The one they talk. At the end of the day now, far wind go blow, far nyash go open. Why una not they suffer? They do waiting God say una. Because all the name of money, una want buy private jet, una want drive the best car, una want buy the. I don't understand. If God send you, may you come preach. Suffer they do your preaching, you understand? Not be say God send you to come win souls. They preach, they follow straight. God reveal unto you, you know. You yourself know. Then you can't do finish, go they do the other one because you want prophesy. Can I prophesy? Yes, sir, daddy prophesy. Daddy prophesy. Far, oh, which prophesy? Are they sorry for people when be say, man, they seek for miracle here and there. Make una use una brain, oh, because all these so-called prophet pastors, not be all anyway, there are still genuine ones, you understand? Make una not get me wrong, but many don't scatter many relationships, many don't scatter marriages. You go see woman go church, go they down, they call small boy daddy, father. At the end of the day now, waiting on the happen for her, son go lie, give the woman say the husband get secret lover from one side, the husband don't marry, and some women I know say they know they use sense. They don't want you to see a year of those kind of things. Before you know, the young go has go squeeze face. Papa Junior. So now truth, today, now me and you. Today, basketballs for this. Oh, I'm sorry for now. Make una use una brain, oh. God dey 100% sure. But make una use una brain. You understand? Because many just dey on devil uniform that they represent God. Now lie. Now lie. Make una use una brain. It good to go church. It good to worship God. Make shine your eye. You understand? Shine your eye, because many pastors these days, my people, not judge, not me say may see fire, may jump, enter. You understand? Well, this other update they come from one of our popular Nollywood actress known as Destiny Atiku. Now, I don't say this life, parents they always they pray, make them born pikin will be like say man, go make them proud. Pikin will be like say man, it go give them joy. Pikin will be like say man, it go they give them happiness. Not be pikin when you're born finish, you can't they regret. When I know say get some parents, it get some children will be like say man, they're born. They'll come they regret because the pikin go they disgrace them every day. They give them bad name, they give them headache. The reason why they read this news now because of Destiny Atiku. When I know say they say do not judge a book by its cover. Now so Mercy Johnson don't. If you look today now, Mercy Johnson see her husband house today. Why Destiny Atiku now people use they say this girl go spoil, this girl do this. So not judge book by its cover. You understand? Now nobody knows tomorrow. Destiny Atiku now no saying don't open a new mansion. He can invite him mama from village. If you see the way mother they jubilate, they happy, they celebrate. My people are come across this video now say now waiting all parents they pray for. Make their children, their pikin, their son, their daughter, make them proud. Give them good name. You understand? See this woman now, his daughter put joy smile for her face. Well guys, make I leave una with this very video, make una watch am. Meanwhile, in case today na the first time we just they come across this YouTube channel, my name still remain Urumpika. But make you contribute by sharing out this video, subscribe, hit on that notification bell so that whenever we drop any new update here, you'll be among the first person to receive the notification. So guys, make una watch this very video when Destiny Atiku mama for come all the way from village come rejoice with his daughter.
I've not seen my mother ever since I got back. She's been in the village, so she just go back now.
Mama, go be a
Love in the air, my people. I also now watch that video. No be smart, you know. And I see why we dey always they pray to born pikin wey go make us proud. As I first tell you now for the beginning of this video, all parents they pray to born pikin wey be like say, may go give them good name. You understand? Not be bad thing to born pikin go become great footballer. Go come be great musician. Become governor, senator, president. Not be bad thing. You understand? That's why they pray to born pikin wey go become somebody for the society. Not be to born pikin wey be say man go dey do all those things when be say man not call for, not serve for. Things when be say man the government they against. You understand? We dey pray to born pikin wey go celebrate us, when go make us proud, when go make the whole world proud. You understand? Because not be only one person they born pikin, and not be only one person they get pikin. You understand? Imagine now, it just be like Odion Igalo, that guy when I first talk in news just now, they make the whole Nigeria proud. Not believe mama and papa come born her like that. You understand? Well, this other update, my people, as I first tell you, I love in the air. One guy don't engage a girlfriend for himself flat. My people, what a romantic video. I need to watch this video, you understand? Well, I go leave now with this very short video. Meanwhile, once again, in case today now the first time when you come across this YouTube channel, my name is Remain Uropikin. Please kindly contribute to this YouTube channel by sharing out this video, subscribe, hit on that notification bell so that whenever we drop any new update here, you will be among the first person who will receive the notification. Not fail to drop your comment because me I dey read una comment well. Sorry guys, I get kata and I know say the weather these days is not easy. Because through your comment now I go tell you what will be your opinion regarding this very video. So guys, I go leave una here while we go see each other for the next update coming up soon. Respect, one love.
Ladies and gentlemen, please passenger on seat 9 and Sandra. Please, someone special on this aircraft. I would like to say something very, very, very special and sweet to you. If you're here, please, I would like you to stand. Let us see you. Sandra, passenger on 9. And thank you.
You have to say it. Yeah. You're not yet yes, so did you say yes? Did you say yes? I said yes. Congratulations. Congratulations.